Gary bought 5 apples, 7 oranges, and 4 bananas. Raju bought 6 apples, 8 bananas, and 14 oranges for an amount which was half more than what Gary paid. What percent of the total amount paid by Gary was for apples? So let's write down how much Gary bought. So Gary bought 5 apples, 7 oranges, and 4 bananas. Let us suppose he spent value V. And Raju was there, who bought 6 apples, 8 bananas, and 14 oranges. And it has been said that his amount was half more than that what Gary paid. So must be 1.5 of V. 1.5 of V means 3/2 of V. So this is the scenario. Now let us let us solve these equations actually. Multiply this by 2 and subtract it from this part or whatever. So on multiplying, what do we get? See, 14O, 8B, and 10A, and that will be equal to 2V. So if we subtract this from this above, so what do we land up with? They cancel each other. And 4 apples is 2 minus 3/2 V. That's equal to V/2. Now they have asked you what percent of the total amount paid by Gary was for apples. Gary bought 5 apples and he paid a total amount of V. So let's see what 5 apples cost. If 4 apples cost V/2, then 5 apples will cost 5/8V. And he had total value was V. So what is the percentage? The percentage is 5/8V/V into 100. So which is 5/8 into 100. Now 1/8 percentage value is 12.5. So 5/8 will be 12.5% into 5. That's 62.5%. So that's our answer. Done.